hello to the camera. Okay, you didn't go karts or anything like that?
When I was younger.
Yeah,
Not
okay,
for a
yep.
very long time. Thank you.
All right, so you listened to Ian's talk earlier?
I did, yes.
Yep, and understand all that?
I did.
No questions out of that?
No.
All right, so the critical things that we're going to get you to look at is staying on the hard line, where the grip is, right?
Yep.
Which is where the previous people's wheel marks
Okay,
will be.
yep.
Yep. So all the time, everywhere, stay in the wheel marks.
Yep.
Because that's where the grip is, that's where we need to be. It's also the correct line, because that's why it's there.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to do all of our braking when we approach a corner. Brake while you're going straight.
Okay.
Come down to the speed that you need. Make sure you're in the gear that you need, and I'll
Yep.
guide you on that.
Yep.
And then you'll turn, and then, as Ian said, we want neutral throttle, so about 10% on the accelerator,
Okay.
and it will just guide you around the corner.
Okay.
Too much, and you'll run wide.
Yep.
Too little, and it won't turn properly. So
Okay.
just want that tiny little bit of throttle.
Yep.
So we'll carry 10% throttle all the way around the corner till you can see where you're going. When you can see where you're going, then you can accelerate.
No worries.
Okay? Now I'm going to say that to you 20 times,
Yeah.
but I'm not being rude, okay?
I understand.
Just so you keep remembering.
No worries.
All right, let's move up there and have a look. What sort of car do you drive?
I drive an Impreza.
Oh yeah?
And a Pop Star as well, but yeah, my main car's Impreza.
Just stop here. Stop. Stop. Okay, so that'll be third gear, brakes, second gear, constant throttle, then accelerate now.
Okay.
Okay, up into third gear, probably third gear all the way along.
Yep.
Then at the end, you won't see his brake lights unfortunately, but he'll brake, go back to second, turn, gentle throttle. It's a hairpin bend, so you need to go tight.
Yep.
Gentle throttle, back up into third, down through some S's,
Yep.
onto the straight, still in third. There's a little jump there, I'll get you just a little break before the jump.
Okay, yep.
Come over the jump, and then it's a hard brake here,
Yep.
back to second gear here, second gear all the way around with a tiny bit of throttle. Okay, so gentle throttle, then accelerate. Okay? So that's going to be the plot all the way around.
No worries.
Straight line brake, be in the gear, turn, gentle throttle, then hard throttle.
Okay.
I'll say it to you 20 times.
Yeah, no worries.
All right, take it away.
Let's go.
So accelerate up into third. Third gear. Foot on the footrest. Yep, good. Staying on the wheel marks. Brake. Getting ready for second. Second gear now. Second gear. Too fast. Tighter. That's it. Gentle throttle. Accelerate third gear, then brake. Third gear. Brake. Off. Gentle throttle. Yep, looking for the hard line on the inside. Wait and accelerate now. Good. Little brake. Off. Big brake. Second gear. Stay in tight. Stay in tighter. Tighter, tighter. Gentle throttle. All the way through. Then accelerate third gear. Stay in the wheel marks. Yep. Brilliant. Brakes, wait, and second gear. Good. Gentle throttle, just gently, and the nose will come back by itself. You lift it off. Stay gently on the throttle. Third gear, brake, off. Staying tight on that one, staying tight on this one. Waiting, and then accelerate. Little brake, off. Big brake, second gear, staying tight. Tighter, gentle throttle. Yep. The car actually turns better. Gentle throttle. Third gear. Stay on the hard one. Yep, there you go. Gear brake, off, gentle throttle, yep, more, yeah, that's it, just there, yep, a little more, and accelerate. So same thing, we just want that little bit of throttle through the corners. Off, hard brake, second gear, this time we'll go up that way. Yep, good. Stop where those two cones are. Yep, good, okay. How was that?
That's good.
All right.
Excellent.
Felt yourself improving a bit each time?
I do, yes.
Yeah. That hairpin's a bit tricky, but on that final one, did you notice that the car just pulled itself over?
Yeah.
That's because you were on the throttle the right amount at the right time.
Okay.
The front wheels then do their job
Yeah.
of pulling the nose over.
Okay.
And suddenly the car just goes, wow, and away you go. And you're not fighting it, and you're not worrying about going off the outside, it just goes around the corner. So we're going to concentrate on doing that, just constant, gentle throttle.
Yep.
This course here is a bit tighter, it's got a lot more trees and banks, but it's going to be third gear everywhere except for one corner, which is this one just here.
Okay.
But what I'm going to get you to do is to concentrate on that constant throttle on this big double right-hand corner. Okay. So I'm going to get you to brake before that corner, turn, and hold a little bit of accelerator.
Yep.
All the way. Hold it. And if you do that, the car will find its sweet spot, it'll settle down.
Oh, cool.
And that's what we're looking for.
No worries.
All right. There's a bit of a nasty corner down the bottom, which is a bit damp from the rain last week.
Okay.
So it's got a bit of a rut starting to form. Just put the wheels into that rut,
Yep.
and it'll carry you around the corner.
Oh.
You just need to be careful because there's some big trees and stuff.
Yeah, no worries.
All right. Okay. Well, let's have a go. Get you on.
Ready?
Yep. Yep. So accelerate up into third again. I think you went to fourth one, so it's okay. There you go. So straight line braking here. Brakes. Tuck in tight. Off the brake. Gentle power. Just very gently. Yep. Brakes here. Stay in the wheel ruts. Yep. Through you go. Gentle throttle. Gentle. Now being smooth,
Yep.
but holding that neutral throttle that Ian was talking about.
Yep.
The car just stabilises itself
Yep.
and it just goes around the corner. Faster than you thought.
Yeah.
So that's what we're looking for, just that sweet spot
Just
and
sweet spot.
just enough throttle.
No worries.
Happy with that?
Very happy, yeah.
Good.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Give you this back.